working on laying out a design and zooming in and seeing if you have everything aligned perfectly? On the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3, you have lots of options. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and we're doing free video tutorials on every corner of this machine. You can find a complete YouTube playlist in the description below, and I hope you'll start from the beginning and start mastering this machine with us. Plus, we have online courses for you to join us in as well to take you above and beyond where your manual leaves off. For zooming, one of the things that we can do is just use our two fingers. So we can always just touch and kind of spread them apart, and you'll zoom in on a particular area. But what we do have also up here at the top is a magnifying glass. As we go in here, we have three options. An option to slide or zoom in and out. Being able to see the edge of your hoop is sometimes a little bit more appropriate because maybe some of these edge functions are getting in your line of sight when you're trying to line everything up. So zooming out just a little further. Another option in here is just to plus or minus yourself in and out. We can do a zoom to all. And that means your design that's on the screen is as big as your screen will let you see it. So if you have a really small kind of miniature design or a single letter, it's going to make that letter or design all the way up as big as it will go, pretty much bringing your edges into view. The other thing you do have is zoom to hoop, so depending on which hoop you have selected, allowing you to see that perimeter at a quick touch of a button. So I do like that option quite a bit. But I do have to tell you, sometimes this little area gets in my way of viewing. And so if you touch the function right next to the magnifying glass, watch, it goes away. So then that way you can really see what you're doing. Now, if you're wondering where those functions are, just turn that function off so you can see those tools and be able to engage them as you are editing your design. And since we're up in this corner, just remember you always have an undo function or redo function. Should you move something off to the side and then decide, gosh, I really liked it the way it was. So this top bar is very handy, and I feel as you get used to using this top bar, the side functions, and the bottom tools here, you really will start to master this machine from start to finish. Our most popular class, our Embroidery Essentials online course, will have you mastering all these features and functions through 15 different embroidery techniques that when you stitch them out, you become familiar with all these areas, how to use them, and how they work on this wonderful machine. In all of our courses, there are free videos that you can preview to see if that course is right for you before you enroll. I hope to see you in one of our classes soon.